Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a light effect in your art in Procreate. So let's say you wanted your artwork to look like there is a light source or something very bright. Well, I've got just the trick for you. Here we go. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to layers and you're going to select the layer that you want illuminated. So I'm just going to select my mushroom layer, I'm going to pick my color, and I'm going to pick my brush, and then I'm going to start coloring. Once you're done coloring, I'll show you what to do. Now that I'm done coloring, I'm going to go into layer adjustments and I'm going to scroll down to add. Once you're done, you'll see that it looks a lot brighter and more neon colored. And it might be a little strong at first, so I'm just going to blend it in and we'll see. So sometimes it might be too bright, so I'm just going to erase a little bit to take some of that off, and then I'm going to smudge, which really comes in handy so that it's not too bright. And I'm going to do the same thing here, erase and smudge. Now that my mushrooms are done, I'm going to move on to lightening up my maiden girl. So I'm just going to open that group and I'm going to add a layer over the clothes and I'm going to do a clipping mask. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the mushrooms and just color it in. Now the eyes. Oh, I love eyes. So we're just going to add some of that color there and then just gonna smudge it and round the brush as we go around so that it looks a little bit more rounded like a real eye is. Alright, so I am done with my maiden girl and now I'm just going to add some extra light effects to my mushrooms and a little bit to the background. Alrighty, so this is the end and now we're done. So this is before and this is after. So I think it made a really big difference and I hope you learned a lot from this video. I'll see you in the next one.